If you want to make quick, fast, easy jewelry, I've got the bracelet for you. Hey guys, I'm Alicia, and today we're making a fun, quick, easy stretch bracelet that I got inspired to do because I'm always on the go because I have a new baby and I just want fast jewelry and easy jewelry because I don't have a lot of time to sit and make complicated jewelry. So this is the bracelet for you. So let's go over the tools and supplies you're gonna need to make this bracelet. You're gonna need flat nose pliers to open and close a jump ring that we're gonna make later in the project. You're gonna need a large rubber bell shaping plier. You're gonna need a cutter. You're gonna need some 16 gauge wire. You're gonna need some fun beads and a charm. And obviously the main awesome item is the stretch cord. Okay, so let's get started. You're gonna take some stretch cord and just cut yourself a little piece. I always go a little bit bigger because it's easier to tie the knot at the end. And then whatever beads you want to do, I just kind of went with this little concoction and just go ahead and start stringing them on it. This is what is so easy about this project is you're just literally stringing on beads. And at the end, you're tying a knot. So I'm going to make one bracelet and then show you how to tie the knot, and then this project actually needs 3 bracelets because then we're gonna take the charm and connect all 3 together just to give it that cute little boho look. So in between each bead, I'm putting a spacer bead because I think metal brings out the look of your bracelet. So if you have any spacer beads at home or you wanna get some, I think it adds to your bracelet just to space out your beads to give it more of a finished look. So you can see this is super, super easy. If you've never made jewelry and you're scared to make jewelry, start out with stretch bracelets because you can't mess them up really. You're literally just tying a knot and stringing beads. So now you're gonna take your strand. Oh, let me add this bead on. You're gonna take your strand. And this is why I like to leave more of the stretch cord so that you have grip to tie your knots. So you're just gonna come in here, tie a knot. I like to give it a little tug, and then I tie 2 more. Some people use glue at the end. I don't, but it's just your preference. And I always come back at the end and kind of pull apart this, and you can tell if your knot comes undone, then you didn't tie it good. So that will tell you if you tied it good or not. So you can see mine is not coming apart. And then I'm just gonna come over here, trim off the tail, and now you've got your bracelet. And I magically made 2 more. So from here, make whatever 3 stretch bracelets, and then this is where we're gonna add the charm. So this is where the 16 gauge wire comes in and your large bell shaping plier. So if you don't know how to make a jump ring, you can do it with any kind of bell shaping plier. You're gonna take it and you're just gonna roll, and you can roll it around twice, or you can roll it to where it overlaps where you first started, and then you need a flush cutter to come in and cut it flush, and that means you want it straight on both sides. So a flush cutter is gonna cut with a point on this side and it's gonna cut flush on this side. So you're gonna come over. So now it's gonna be straight on both sides, so it's gonna line up perfectly. And there is your jump ring. And you're gonna take your flat nose pliers to open the jump ring up. Always twist the jump ring, never pull it. Add your charm on. Slide a strand on. Slide another strand on. and slide your last strand on. And then close your jump ring. And now you have a cute little stretch charm bracelet that's gonna fit everybody because it's stretchy. So there you go. Okay, so let's go back over the tools and supplies we used for this bracelet. You're obviously gonna need some stretch cord. You're gonna need some 16 gauge wire, flat nose pliers, two to open and close your jump ring. It makes it easier. You're gonna need a large bell shaping plier and a cutter, as well as fun beads and charms. If you wanna pick up any of the supplies I used today, check out the links below. What's your favorite style of stretch bracelet? How many do you wear? I like to stack them up. Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And now that you know how to make stretch bracelets with charms, you can say, I made this.